Homemade. There are so many things you don't have to buy. You can make them at home, save money, do it yourself. Here are just a few things to spark your imagination and get you making things at home. You can make dog food and dog treats at home. Your dog will love you for it. Homemade deodorant. It works. It's easy to make. Just 3 ingredients. Homemade jam is delicious. Buy some berries and make it. Don't forget to add pectin. Charcuterie is so expensive, so make it at home. It's been done like this for millennia, drying meat with salt. You can make homemade beer and wine. It's something many people do. You can make pizza at home. It's easy. It's healthier too. Why, you can even make your own pasta at home. Many people make homemade bread. It's easier than you think. Some kinds don't even need yeast. You can make homemade corn dogs. Just make the dough, roll and fry. Also make homemade condiments for your hamburgers and hot dogs. Mayonnaise, even ketchup. I don't recommend this. A homemade handgun, but 3D printers make this possible. How about a homemade slingshot? You can easily make homemade body scrub. It's much cheaper. I eat homemade granola every day. So much better than store-bought. I use homemade mouthwash. So refreshing. Simple to make at home. My mother makes homemade soap. It's easy to make. You can make your own homemade protein or sports bars. The original ones were all made at home. Many mothers make homemade baby food. It's good for your baby. Did you know you can even make homemade ice cream? Yummy. The best. What other things can you make at home? Homemade? Let us know in the comments.